How to make caramel sauce thicker. If you made caramel sauce at home and need it to be thicker for whatever reason, or you bought a jar that you find too thin for your liking, don't fret. The thing with caramel sauce is that its consistency is easy to adjust. That means you can have that thicker sauce without making a new batch or buying another jar. Here are some ways to thicken your good old caramel sauce. 1. Make alterations in your recipe. Reduce the amount of milk. The more milk you add, the thinner your caramel sauce will be. Take a look at your recipe and consider cutting the milk quantity in half. Use cream instead of milk. Heavy whipped cream works best and will yield thicker results without changing the taste. Add more sugar. More sugar will make the caramel sauce thicker if you add a third of your usual amount. 2. Use thickeners. Flour. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of flour in 1/4 cup of cold water for every cup of caramel sauce. Add it to the caramel sauce, stirring constantly over low heat. Cornstarch. Dissolve a teaspoon of cornstarch in a tablespoon of cold water for every cup of caramel sauce. Over low heat, stir continuously upon pouring the thickener to get the right consistency. Tapioca flour. Add a teaspoon of tapioca flour into the caramel sauce and whisk until dissolved. Heat the caramel over low heat until it starts to thicken. 3. Thickening your caramel sauce without added ingredients. Cook the caramel sauce some more. Caramel sauce thickens if simmered over low heat. Cooking it some more for about 10 minutes will make it thicker than its current state. Let the caramel sit for a long period. After cooking the caramel sauce, leaving it to sit for a longer period will make it thicker than it is when it's still hot or warm. Reheat the caramel on the stove. Simmer the sauce on a pan over medium heat until it becomes thicker. Reheating it helps the liquid components evaporate and leads to a thicker caramel sauce.